Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, I want to show you real quick. I'm about to fix a couple screw holes in my aluminum toolbox here on my truck with some aluminum brazing rods. Pretty simple, and I'll show you how it's done. Check it out. What I'll be using today are the benzomatic aluminum brazing and welding rods. It has a 33,000 psi tensile strength and a working temperature of 720 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. I've used these before with pretty good luck, so we're going to see how they work on this. I'm not going to do any cleaning or anything to the hole. I'm just going to move my stuff from the inside and heat it up. I'm going to be using my Matte Pro gas because that's going to burn hotter, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so what I got is I got my rod. What I'm going to start doing is I'm just going to heat the area up with my mat. Not quite hot enough yet. It'll take a little bit to be up to temperature, because it's aluminum. Okay. Just gonna drag it right across. It's almost there. Okay. Get a better position here. And just like that, that hole is now covered. Let me get a better view here. So as you can see, that is completely covered. A little blob here, but that doesn't matter. This is just a working toolbox. I just wanted to make sure it was, you know, waterproof and nothing was going to get in. Let's check the other side. Completely covered. And it was simple as that. So I'm going to get this one off, and then I'm going to block that hole as well. Alright, so as you can see, here's my hole right there. I'm going to take my brazing rod, get my torch going here, heat it up. You want to get your material up to temperature. Not quite there yet. And just like that. Yep, she came back down here. Hang on. Try and make it as neat as possible. There we go. And then as you saw, it just solidified, and that is now fixed. Now you can hit it from the inside if you want, but be careful. It could screw your braze up from the inside, and you'd have to kind of go back and forth. And then you got a big glob. I would do a better job if this was like, I don't know, something everybody would see, but like I said, I just need it to be watertight. So, and that's how I fixed those holes, there and there. Thanks for watching, guys.